Okay, so this is the opening. Herbert, how wide is the opening?
197.
197?
Yes, sir.
So the opening is 197. Now, when you start sliding towards the back, you get to hit on the top corner this big pipe. And then on the back where the operator is going to be, you're going to hit this pipe. So we're going to have to make the gate slightly, well, we're going to have to make it the same height and the same length as the opening, but it's going to have to stop right about here. So like 1.5 feet before the closing. Also, we're going to have to do a notch up here to allow for this pipe, which is right there. So we're going to have to create a separate small panel right here, and then when the gate is opening all the way, it will stop here. When the gate is closed all the way, that notch that is in the gate is going to be covered by the panel that's here. So I'm back here, and this installation is now complete. The gate will secure this garage right now. Really nice. As you can see, when it's closed, this side panel here covers that little opening that we created for the piping at the edge of the garage. It's a back feed operator. So here's the operator right there. We have obviously a sensor for safety, as well as an exit button here. This building did not want to use a exit loop because of the limited parking spots here. They were worried about this being in the way. So I just pressed that exit button. The gate now opens nicely. It'll open all the way. One of the tenants is pulling out. And once it reaches full opening, a timer will start. This is now set at about a 20-second timer. Yeah, go. You're good. It will at about 20 seconds. So obviously this is new for these tenants, and they're excited about it, and we're excited as well. We also added a keypad right here for pedestrians traffic, and that's about it. Came out really nice. I'll show you from the outside once it closes. I'll show you the final look from the outside. It's very nice and quiet. It's a very good operator. It's a LiftMaster with a battery backup. And there you have it. At the same time, what we also did for this building, and again, now I'm just going to enter a code here, and it will open. We've secured these openings in the sides of the garage. And as you can see here, we've added the same design like the gate. We've added bars on all these openings because this was completely open and they had some problems with crime. So that's about it. Here you can see why we had to do this kind of cutout at the edge of the gate to compensate for these pipes that are here. And that's why we added that small section in the front here, so when the gate is fully closed, they overlap each other and do not leave an opening over there. See, pretty cool. So that's it. Ron for Mulholland Security in Beverly Hills, California.